is a word that names a person, place, things, emotions, or ideas. The singular form of a noun refers to the one person, one place, or thing. Okay. The plural forms of noun refers to the two or more persons, two or more things, or two or more places. Okay. So there are several different rules about forming plural nouns. Okay. So see, there are some rules. Okay. How to make the how to convert singular into plural. So there are some rules. Okay. So see, first rule is most noun from most noun form the plural form by adding the letter yes, okay, to the singular form of the word. Okay. Sometime if we have to convert, if we have to write plural form of noun, so at that time for making plural noun, okay, we add letter s, okay, at the end, okay, to the singular noun. So see, here are there some examples. First one, tiger. So see here, what is the meaning of tiger? Okay, tiger means only one tiger. Okay, means you are talking about only one tiger. Okay, so if we have to make plural, if we have to talk more than two tigers, okay, two or more than two tigers, so if we have to make tiger into the plural form, so at that time we will put yes letter at the end of the tiger. Okay, and by adding the letter s, we will make singular to the, we will convert the tiger, singular tiger, to the plural. Okay, and how is the pronunciation? That tigers. Okay, tiger, tigers. See, book, book, here book means only one book. Okay, here book means only one book, and after adding the s at the end, okay, we convert that singular book into plural books. Okay, see, basket means only one basket, and baskets means more than two basket, two basket or more than two basket. Houses mean one house, house means one house, and houses after adding the yes. Okay, so houses means two or more than two houses. Okay, so what is our rule? That if we have to make, okay, if we have to make, if we have to convert singular into plural, so sometime we add s. Okay, to whom we add s? To the singular noun we add s. Okay, but for some nouns, okay, now see second rule. Okay, so second rule is about es. Okay, first rule is about the s. Now second rule is about the es. But see, here is a rule where we add es. Okay, so noun that are end with ch, sh, ss, okay, x, then z. Okay, so at the end of that noun we add es. Okay, noun that end in ch, sh, ss, x or z form the plural form of adding es. Okay, so here there are some examples. Church. Okay, see, at the end there is ch. If we have to make plural, then what we will add? We will add es at the end. So church, singular church will convert in the plural churches. Okay, wish, sh is there at the end. Okay, see, sh. Okay, then we will add es. Okay, wishes. Then kiss, kisses. Box, boxes. Okay, so by adding es, Okay, two noun which are end with ch, sh, ss, x or z. Okay, the plural form of by adding es. Okay, so see here, ox. Okay, ox means single ox. Okay, if we have to convert it in the plural, okay, so what we will add es at the end of singular noun, that is oxes. Okay, so brush, see, regular you use the brush. Okay, so sh at the end, so we will add es. Okay, brushes. So these are the singular nouns and these are the plural nouns by adding es. Okay, so first rule we have learned about adding s, and second rule we have learned about adding es. Getting? Now see, third point. Okay, sometimes if we have to convert the noun singular into plural, okay, but see, at the time we sometimes we have to use ves. Okay, what? Ves. But where? But when? Okay, when we need to use that ves at the end, see, sometimes at the end of some nouns, okay, some nouns end with the f or fe. See, knife is ending with the fe, calf is ending with the f only, loaf is ending with the f. Okay, so some nouns that end in f or fe form the plurals by changing the f or fe into ves. Means when we convert them into plural forms, at that time no need to write f or fe. Okay, so if at the end of some nouns if there is f or means the nouns which are ending with f or fe. Okay, if we have to convert them into the plural form, at that time we just omit that f or fe and we write ves. Okay, so see, there are some examples over here. Knife. Okay, knife is ending with the fe. Okay, so we will remove it and we will convert it into the ves. Okay, so knife, news. Okay, calf, calves, leaf, leaves, loaf, loaves, thief, thieves. Okay, wife, wives. Okay, so these are the singular and plural form by adding ves. Okay, so see, first we have learned about the adding s, then es, and now ves. Okay, now see further. See, see, next rule. If a singular noun ends in y, okay, like baby, story, city, lady, cherry. Okay, so if the singular noun ends in y and is preceded by a consonant, c means before the y if there is a consonant. Okay, before the y, okay, if there is a consonant, okay, here before the y, okay, change the y into I, okay, and change that y into I and add es. Okay, so that is the next rule by adding ies. But when if a singular noun ends with y, okay, and if there is a consonant before y. Okay, and y is preceded by a consonant. Means if before the y, if there is a consonant, then we have to change that y into I. Okay, and we need to add es after I. Okay, so see here, there is some examples of singular and plural nouns. Okay, so first one example of berry. Okay, so see at the end there is y, means this is the noun. Okay, and which is end with the letter y. Okay, so what we have to do? Okay, this y is changed into I for making the plural. Okay, so what we will do? BERRI. Okay, that y will change into I, and after that ES. Okay, means berry will convert into berries. Okay, next one, see one example of baby. Okay, it's end with the y. Okay, then what? So see another one rule. Okay, which is included here, that we have to see the consonant before y. Okay, so see first example, here is r is the consonant. Okay, and here b is the consonant. Okay, you know vowels and consonant. Okay, a, e, I, o, u, these are the vowels. Okay, and except e, I, o, u, all alphabet are the consonant. Okay, so see here, next example, story. Okay, so this is this word is also end with the letter y. Okay, so if we have to convert story into plural, if we have to talk about the more stories, okay, so at that time we have to convert them into the plural form. Okay, and how to convert? First see at the end there is a y, and before y there is a r. See here, okay, so see here, before y there is a r. Okay, before y there is a r. Okay, so what is our rule? We have to see that y which is preceded by a consonant. Okay, so r is a consonant, before y there is a consonant. Okay, so it will convert into I, E, S. Okay, so story, what is the plural form of story? That is stories. Butterfly, butterflies. Okay, lady, ladies. City, cities. Fairy, fairies. So see all the examples over here. There is a y at the end, and before that y there is a consonant. Okay, so if in that case we need to add IES while making the plural. Okay, okay, so sometimes, okay, so see sometimes other irregular plural nouns. Okay, so if we have to talk about the more than two women, okay, so at that time we need to convert them into the plural form. Okay, and what is the plural form of woman? Is women. Okay, means that man change into the men. Okay, so this is the irregular plural form, means total word. Okay, means the some we need to add some words. Okay, at the end, some alphabet at the end. Okay, sometimes in middle. Okay, alphabet in middle change. Okay, sometimes, Okay, so see, sometimes full form, okay, of the word is changed. So see here, woman. First example is of woman. Women is changed into woman. Okay, man means single man. Okay, and here men means more than two men. Okay, see here, man, men. Okay, now child. Child means only one child. Okay, and we add ren to make the plural form. Okay, child, children. Okay, then foot, feet, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, tooth, teeth. Okay, so see next one example, goose, geese. Okay, so these are some nouns. Okay, singular and plural. So today we have learned about some rules. First rule by adding s, second rule by adding es, third rule by adding ves, fourth rule by adding ies, and last one, that is irregular form of plural nouns. Okay. So see, there are many animals, okay, that have the same singular or plural form. Deer, deer, bison, bison, moose, moose, sheep, sheep, fish, fish. Okay, these are the animals. The singular and the plural form of these animals are same. Okay,